As the automotive world rapidly shifts toward turbocharging and downsizing, Nissan took a different route with the 3.8 VQ38DD engine. Introduced in 2020, this naturally aspirated V6 replaced the long-running 4.0 VQ40DE and became the backbone of models like the third-generation Nissan Frontier and the latest Nissan Patrol. On paper, the VQ38DD looks like a modern evolution of the legendary VQ family. More power, better efficiency, and advanced technologies such as direct injection and fully variable valve timing. But how does it perform in the real world, and what problems should owners realistically expect over time? Let's take a deep dive. The Nissan VQ38DD is a 3.8-liter, naturally aspirated, all-aluminum V6 designed to balance durability with modern emissions and efficiency requirements. Producing up to 316 horsepower and 285 pound-feet of torque, it delivers strong performance for a non-turbo engine, especially in trucks and large SUVs. This engine belongs to Nissan's DD family, meaning it uses gasoline direct injection and advanced electronic control systems. Compared to its predecessor, it offers better throttle response, improved fuel economy, and noticeably higher output, all while avoiding the complexity of turbocharging. Under the hood, the VQ38DD shares architectural similarities with Nissan's high-performance engines, including concepts derived from the GTR's VR38EAT. It features a lightweight aluminum open-deck block with a 60-degree V-angle, forged crankshaft, forged connecting rods, and reinforced aluminum pistons. These components suggest that Nissan prioritized strength and longevity despite the engine's naturally aspirated configuration. Aluminum DOHC cylinder heads with 4 valves per cylinder complete the setup, emphasizing airflow efficiency and high RPM stability. One notable feature of the VQ38DD is its integrated, water-cooled exhaust manifolds built directly into the cylinder heads. This design helps reduce emissions, speeds up catalyst warm-up, and improves packaging efficiency. However, it also increases thermal stress within the heads, meaning cooling system health becomes especially critical over time. The composite valve covers reduce weight but are known to age less gracefully than traditional aluminum covers, particularly in high-heat environments. The VQ38DD uses a multi-chain timing system rather than a belt, which is generally good news for longevity. A main timing chain drives the intake camshafts, while secondary chains connect intake and exhaust cams in each cylinder head. All camshafts are equipped with electronically controlled variable valve timing, EVTC. While this setup allows excellent control over power and efficiency, it also introduces more moving parts, solenoids, and oil-dependent components that can become problematic if oil changes are neglected. Nissan's Neo-DI direct injection system sprays fuel directly into the combustion chambers at high pressure. This improves combustion efficiency, power output, and emissions control. A camshaft-driven high-pressure fuel pump mounted on the valve cover supplies the necessary pressure. While effective, this system is sensitive to fuel quality and cleanliness. Over time, injectors and the high-pressure pump can become weak points, especially in regions where premium fuel quality is inconsistent. The intake system consists of a 2-piece plastic manifold with electronically controlled intake runner valves that adjust airflow based on engine speed and load. This improves low-end torque and overall efficiency, but adds another electronic system that can fail with age. The ignition system uses coil-on plug design with iridium spark plugs, offering strong ignition performance and long service intervals, though replacement costs are higher than older designs. Like most gasoline direct injection engines, the VQ38DD is susceptible to carbon buildup on intake valves. Because fuel no longer washes over the intake ports, oil vapors from the PCV system gradually form carbon deposits. This issue typically becomes noticeable after 100,000 to 150,000 miles and can lead to rough idle, reduced power, and lower fuel economy. While walnut blasting can restore performance, it adds a maintenance cost owners of older port-injected VQs never had to worry about. Some early owners and technicians have noted mild oil consumption, especially under heavy loads or extended highway driving. This isn't catastrophic, but it reinforces how sensitive the VQ38DD is to oil quality and change intervals. Nissan specifies low-viscosity synthetic oil to reduce friction and emissions, but extended oil change intervals can accelerate wear on timing components, cam phasers, and the high-pressure fuel pump. Due to the integrated exhaust design and higher operating temperatures, the cooling system works harder than on older VQ engines. Over time, components such as the electric thermostat, water pump, and plastic coolant fittings may become weak points. Any cooling system neglect can quickly lead to overheating issues, which are especially dangerous for aluminum blocks and heads. The VQ38DD is generally a solid and well-engineered engine. Its naturally aspirated design avoids turbo issues, and its strong internals support a typical lifespan of 300,000 miles with proper care. However, it does demand more attention than older VQ engines. This 3.8-liter unit is a modern evolution of the classic VQ, powerful, smooth, and durable when maintained correctly. But systems like direct injection and advanced timing make it far less tolerant of neglect. With high-quality fuel and consistent service, the VQ38DD can serve reliably for many years. Without it, longevity drops quickly.